Hey everyone, this is Steve Casey Railpen here, and I have a little bit of a locomotive update of a locomotive that I have that's new to my layout. This is something I ordered back from Train World for their Black Friday promotion, so it's really nice, and here it is. It is an Athearn Roundhouse locomotive. So, the locomotive is a AC400, but this is a C6M. And you can see it has a little bit of damage because basically Train World gave me a call and say that the box has some minor damage, but it's just basically when I opened it was just only the lid, as you can see. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this locomotive, and I'll show you what it looks like. So set the camera right down, lift it out like this, and it's just fairly simple. Right there. So pull it out. You just slip this part out here. And there's the locomotive right here. Very nice. So I'm gonna cut the video out, and then I'll have it displayed on top of the box and see what it looks like. Alright, so now I have the locomotive out of the box. I just want to give you guys a quick overview of it. So, as you can see, it has it's not really prototypically correct because as you can see the locomotive has the ditch lights that are underneath. They're supposed to be above the pilot. And the headlight is in the incorrect location. It's supposed to be cab mounted. And also the cab door is on the incorrect section. It's supposed to be on the left side of the cab, and plus none of the C6Ms had the doors on the windows, and the handrails are also not correct as well. And it also has the 3-window cab, which isn't correct. But even though it is a budget-friendly locomotive and it's pretty cheap, it's pretty nice, and it's got pretty good details. Like you can see, everything about it is very nicely done. You know, truck detail wise, paint job, and the horn. It's a 3-chime horn, because I know the real one. According to some videos I watched, I found out that 4059, this C6M has a P5 horn, which is very cool, because I love the P5. I'll just turn it around, show you the back side. It's got some pretty nice detail, the grab irons and the McHenry couplers. It does not have the rear ditch lights, because I know most AS locos have the rear ditch lights. It's very nice. And here's the other side. Oops. Absolutely, really stunning locomotive. Now, even though the locomotive isn't really like prototypically correct, I think it's still a pretty neat locomotive. Because I think this locomotive would look really great if I paired this up with NS4001, which I'll get right now. Compare it. So here's my 4001, and I'll just bring my C6M down here. And you can see they look really cool. They will look really nice together. Let's see. Absolutely very nice. So anyways, that's going to basically wrap up this quick unboxing video of my new Athearn AC44C6M, or basically AC4400 CW, but let's just call this an AC44C6M because that's what they're referred as. So, anyways, I'm actually really glad with this locomotive. It's very nice, even though I don't really mind that the headlights are low mounted, because basically it's just a budget-friendly company. So, yeah. Anyways, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.